Hey guys, working on a Jeep TJ 97 to 2006. So if you're, doesn't matter which type of controls you have, if this only works on max and then some of these other ones don't work and you're wondering, why isn't it working? Well, what's broken, it's called a blower motor resistor, guys. There is different types for these Jeeps. Here is the type for my Jeep. I'm not too sure. There's two different types, but one of them looks like this. So this is what you need to change, guys. It is very simple. It is located underneath there. You got to take your glove box out. If you want to see the video on how to change a blower motor resistor, guys, in this Jeep, click on the link and it will take you there and I'll show you exactly how to do this. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody.